Hey there! Welcome to the first lesson of my free grammar course, Much, Many and More. Today we're going to learn about two important quantifiers, some and any. So, why do we need the word some? Let's look at these two sentences. I can say, I have 2 hours before work. But if I don't want to give you the exact number or I don't know the exact amount of something, I can simply use the word some. For example, I have some time before work. Or I can say, I have $200. But I could also say, I have some money. Here, I don't want to specify the amount. And that's the key reason we use quantifiers. To avoid specifying exact numbers or amount or giving unnecessary information. Now, let me remind you that we have 3 types of sentences. Affirmative, like she is smart. Negative, she isn't smart. And questions, is she smart? In affirmative sentences, we normally use some. He has some money, or we need some time to think.
Because I also heard he has some money.
I need some time to think.
Okay, now we want some pie.
But if we want to change these sentences into negative, we use the word any. He doesn't have any money. We don't have any time to think.
Doesn't want any food.
Thanks, but I don't need any help.
We don't have any time at all.
Now, what about questions? Some or any? What do you think? Just take a guess. Ready? We can use both in questions. In most cases, we use any in questions like, do you have any money? But we can also use some when we are expecting a positive answer. For example, would you like some tea? I expect you to say yes, right? So we can use some in this sentence.
Do you have any idea how much opera tickets cost?
No.
Sharon, do you know any men? Men?
Does she want any dessert?
Well, did you get some pictures, Peter?
Did you do some work for Brendan on a new shield design? Yeah.
Dad, did you do some research on the internet?
But the general rule is we use some in affirmative sentences and any in negative in questions. Now, I want you to make some sentences using some and any. Let's practice. Some typical sentences with some can start like this. Can you try to finish it, please? I have some. Just try to think. How would you use it in your real life? Can be anything. Some possible answers can be I have some friends, I have some time, I have some money, or I have some ideas. Let's do another one. I need some. Please try to finish this one as well. Some possible answers could be I need some sleep, I need some time, some rest, some fresh air, for example. And let's do one more. I want to have some. How would you finish it? I want to have some chocolate, or I want to have some coffee, for example. And now try to use any in these sentences. I don't have any ideas, money, time, friends, bad habits, hobbies. One more. I don't need any. Try to finish this one, please, as well. I don't need any help. I don't need any advice, for example. And let's do one more. Do you know any? It's a question, right? What can it be? Do you know any? How would you say that? do you know any places to eat? Or do you know any good books? Or do you know any good movies? Right? Now, let's summarize. We use some in positive sentences and when expecting a positive answer in questions. We use any in negative sentences and most questions.